Bechod. Ian's ready to see you.
Is he?
Yeah.
He's a bit nervous, so...
Yeah, take your time.
I Rangi, mae wynebu Ian am fod yn anodd.
Don't be nervous.
Yn angladd I gŵr, nath I gyhyddo Pritch o bethau mawr.
Here we go.
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Okay.
I want to say sorry to him for blaming him. I was just grieving. And I said some not very nice things to him. And I really am sorry. And I love him heaps, you know, like a brother. From another mother.
A ddim Rangi di'r unig un sy'n teimlo'n euog.
Dwi'n teimlo'n uffernol na eisiau mi fyny'r noson cynt. I gael y noson olw efo fo, tio. Mae di marw ben hun bach, bechod.
Iawn, gyda
Ti'n
wneud
iawn?
arall.
Hey,
Hi.
you okay?
I am okay. Are
Good,
you
good, good.
okay?
I'm not bad, you know.
Hi.
In a lot of pain.
I'm not too.
It's lovely to see you.
And to see you, my friend. To see you.
Oh, you're nice and warm.
Yeah.
You know, I promised to look after Trev.
Oh,
I did try my best, you know.
I know.
I used to go every day to go and see him,
I know, and I'm sorry.
except for the last day. It's the only, I went to see him that day, but
I
not on the
know.
night.
I know.
And I wish I would have gone, you know. I bet you miss him, you know.
I do miss him. I miss him terribly.
Everything they went through.
Everything we all went through. We all went through it together.
How's the sore thumb? Uncle Pritch.
And I'm sorry too, Kay.
It's okay. We all say crazy things when we're grieving.
I've missed you.
And they agreed that I can put my ashes with Trev on top of an Kenny. Oh. Or half of them anyway. So half will go in Plasnant, and then half up in on top of an Kenny with Trev. So
Nice.
me and Trev will be up to mischief for the rest of our lives.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
Forever and ever, I mean.
Back to our roots.
Nice. Yeah, I was able to apologise and he to me. So I guess we were both feeling the same way. His family, his whānau, his teulu. So grateful that I've had the opportunity to see him face to face. Thank you.
Dwi well y barod, dwi wedi cael heddiw, sdi. Dyma fet. Cael eich di.
No, neis gwch di bryd.
Mae gan Aled ac Angharad un rhodd arbennig I Pritch. Rhywbeth unigryw i'r teulu bach o Seland Newydd a Chymru.
So, mae fi a fy mrawd I penderfynu wneud yr haca iddo fo. Mae o'n ffordd ni, fel ochr mawr I ni, I ddangos parch tu ato fo. A jyst I dangos o, da ni'n caru fo. A dwi feddwl mae o'n rheswm mwyaf meaningful dwi erioed I gorfod wneud hacau.
Give me some.
Rwan na tangen nai! Ei, dan ni fuck! Away!